Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Brian. So thank you so much for clicking on this video. Thank you so much for subscribing to my YouTube channel. Thank you for liking the different videos on my YouTube or on my channel. Thank you to the new subscribers, or thank you if you haven't subscribed because I know you are about to subscribe. Thank you, and I really, really appreciate you so much. So, I'm really just here to tell you that I am back on YouTube. I'm back to creating content. And I must thank you for that. So I'm not going to take the credit for, deciding to finally come back on YouTube. So I will tell you that I did have time on my hands, the past year or the past 2 years to do this. I did have resources at some point to do this, but I remember I told myself that I wasn't going to create content if I didn't have a good quality camera or phone to do that. I don't have that as yet, but I was like, I can do with what I have, I would be satisfied with the, camera that I'm using currently. I'm satisfied with the quality of the video that this camera can take. So, but what made me, decide to finally take these videos and record videos and post them on YouTube is I've realized just so if you've watched any of the previous videos, I'm sure there's a video that you watched where I mentioned that there's a Facebook page, called Learning How to Speak Xitsonga or something like that I'm an admin of, and I think I approved more than 200 requests on that group. So there are more than 200 people every single day that are joining that group, and for me that communicated like a lot, and I'm like, if you go on YouTube, there are just like a few YouTubers who are teaching this language. And shout out to every Xitsonga content creator on YouTube. So we thank you for the content that you're creating, because by doing so, you are helping a lot of people learn stuff that they didn't know before, and also just looking at the world that we're living in today, it's very important to learn new languages, because you find yourself in spaces with people that speak different languages from you. The people who probably told themselves that they'll never, need to speak Xitsonga ever in their lives, but then now they've found a Xitsonga speaking soulmate, and then now they have Tsonga family members, that they have to communicate with. And you find that with those people, they don't speak the language that you speak, so you're forced to learn their language, so things like that. And sometimes, someone told me that they now work in a Tsonga-dominated company, so almost everyone there speaks Xitsonga, so everyone is speaking Xitsonga like all the time, and they're like, I can't speak the language, so it's kind of like hard for me to communicate with the people because you're like the only odd one out in that work environment. So they're like, please, I would really, really appreciate you making more videos, because those would really help me connect with my colleagues, and I would at least learn, or even if you can help me understand what they're saying, that's something, because obviously it might take time for some people to get to a point where they can now finally speak a language, but anyway, so I'm really here just to say that I've been inspired to go back to creating content, because in this content creation world, you really sometimes lose the motivation for many different reasons, so I'd really like to thank those who always give us the motivation that we need to go back to doing this, the people that always inspire us to go back to doing what we can do, so yeah, I'm really out here to tell you that I will be creating content very soon, and not very soon, like I've already started with that, so you'll be getting content very soon, and to tell you that I will also do my best to connect you with all the resources that I can, that will help you with this, Xitsonga learning journey. Because I think during my break, I came across a lot of, okay guys, I'm really loving this light. I really love what this light is doing to my skin. Oh my goodness. It's yeah, the skin, the sun is just doing the most on my skin. But anyway, um, what was I saying? I was saying something, and I'll remember what I was saying just now. Yeah. So yeah, I was saying that I'm going to connect you with all the um resources that I came across during my break, and I think that will really help you. Like if you use them optimally, you will be yeah good to go. With you know like the just learning the different language skills and stuff. So yeah, that's just about it. That's all I came here to say. I also came here, to extend my thanks to all of you, each and every one of you, for the support. You know, so just make sure though that you watch every video for at least. I mean, if you not planning to like watch it for that long, at least watch it for like a minute or so. That really um, yeah, that really helps me a lot on my side, So, and also subscribing, because I know there's a lot of you that are a part of this family, a part of this community, but you forgot to subscribe because you watch every video, you know the name of the channel, so you felt like, oh, there's no need to subscribe. But I would really love to see you click on that. Like I'd really love to see you as one of the subscribers of this channel. So yeah, so that's about it. I didn't come here to say much. That's all I came here to say. Do connect with me though on all my social media platforms. I'm on Instagram. It's Tsonga Brian 97. It's all one word. Tsonga Brian 97 on that's Instagram. And on Facebook, I have a page. It's Brian Siweya. It's Brian Siweya. It's spelled as Seweya. I'll write that either on the on the description of this video. And then there's a group on Facebook that I am managing. It's called Learn Xitsonga, or Learning How to Speak Xitsonga. It has more than 120,000 members. So look out for that group. And that's where I will share all the links of this video, of this channel. And I also do my best when I have time to just share the little bit that I have with them. So yeah, that's about it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great time, and yeah, yeah, I think this is gonna be really, really fun. I really, really enjoy creating content. So I think that's like my biggest inspiration, beyond all that I've said about people inspiring and motivating me to do this. It's mostly from myself, because I really, really enjoy doing this. So yeah, you have a great time. You have a good day. If you're new to the channel, do make sure to check out all the other videos on this channel, and do ensure to share it with anyone that you know. Also, when you share this on your timeline or on your social media platforms, what happens is there's someone out there who needs what this channel has to offer, and you'd be helping a lot of other people by sharing this video and by sharing the videos on this channel. So that's it from me. Thank you so much for watching.